Morbid. Okay. Now this word morbid, oh wait, we have to get rid of the mischievous girl. Okay. This word morbid, again, this is another vocabulary word that I have chosen from Chapter 7 of David Copperfield. It's an intermediate level word. It's an intermediate level English vocabulary word. And morbid is something associated with blood or violence or things like that. Things that are very unpleasant, like death and violence and blood. And it's usually used in connection with people who are very fascinated by this sort of thing. So let's see how we can use it in a sentence, so maybe it will be more clear. Okay, here is a situation. John likes to watch documentaries or movies. John likes to watch movies about serial killers. Okay, so about murder. He likes to watch movies about murderers. Okay, some people really hate that. Well, it doesn't mean that John is a bad person that he likes to watch this, but it does make some people feel uncomfortable that he has an interest in blood and death and violence. It doesn't mean that he enjoys it, but he has this weird curiosity over it. Okay, so let's make a question. Let's make a why you like movies about serial killers question. Why? Why do you? Why do you like to watch movies? Why do you like to watch movies about serial killers? Let's change this to a reported speech sentence. Mary asked John. So we have let's say, why does he like? Why does he like to watch? Why does he like to watch? That's a direct question. Why does he like to watch? Let's make a reported speech question. We have to undo the question form. Why he likes to. Why he likes to watch. She asked him why he likes to watch. She asked him why he likes to watch movies about serial killers. Okay. And the answer that he gave was that, let's see, let me find the answer here. Just a second, I've lost my place. Okay, this is how he answered. He has a weird curiosity about seeing these things. He has a weird fascination with it. It's not that he enjoys murder or blood or anything. Maybe he does a little bit, but the idea is it's just something he can't prevent. He likes to see it. It interests him in a weird way. That weird way is morbid. That's what morbid means. So we can say he has a morbid curiosity. He has a morbid curiosity about serial killers. So let's change that to reported speech. He said he had a morbid curiosity. He said he had a morbid curiosity about serial killers. Let's try another example, which is actually pretty common. There was a traffic jam on the freeway. That's our situation. The reason for the traffic jam was because there was a horrible car accident. Let's make a how car accident caused traffic jam question. How did the car accident cause? How did the car accident cause a? How did the car accident cause a? How did the car accident cause a traffic jam? Okay, now let's make this into reported speech. Mary asked Lisa. She asked her. Now, the question form is, how did the car accident cause? That's the question form. We don't have a question anymore. We have a statement. How the accident caused. She asked her how the accident caused a traffic jam. How the accident caused a traffic jam. She asked her how the accident caused a traffic jam. And because cause is in the past, we have to change this to past perfect. She asked her how the accident had caused a traffic jam. And this is how Lisa answered. Because all of the cars, as they passed the car accident, they slowed down because they wanted to see what happened. They wanted to see the wrecked car or the bodies or the blood. And most people do this. There's a word for it. We call it gapers. I can't remember what it's called now. But gaper is somebody who likes to watch things. That's what happens. Have you ever been in that situation where there's a car accident and it's not blocking the road, but as people drive by, they slow down because they want to look and see what happened, hoping in a way to see blood or something like that. That's morbid. That's a morbid thing. It doesn't mean these people are bad or they're murderers or something like that. They just have this weird fascination with wanting to see this. They don't enjoy it, of course, but it's something you can't help. They have a morbid fascination with disaster. So let me just fix my camera here. Out of focus for some reason. Okay, now I'm okay. All right, so having a morbid fascination with violence or blood, that means you have this weird curiosity, a little bit strange, a little bit hard to explain. Okay, let's see. Let's move on to our next vocabulary word.